Hello, Year 8. I hope you're all well and enjoyed last week's sunshine. It's a bit grey and rainy this week, but you won't be bored as I know you've all got plenty of work to be getting on with and keeping you busy. Do you know what I realised over the weekend? You're almost Year 9. Where has the time gone? And that's the reason why we need to keep working super hard over these final few weeks. It's been a strange year, but it's important that we really work towards that transition to Year 9 and we don't just limp over the finish line of Year 8. And if you're watching this thinking, I haven't really done much work through lockdown, it's not too late. There's still time to check your emails, take a look at your messages from your teachers. Many of your teachers will have been emailing tasks and videos for you. Take a look and give it a go. Don't feel anxious over sending in your first piece of work. Any work that you do will be received with praise. So don't give up and give it a go. Now let's celebrate every one of you who's been working really hard over the last week, and we will begin with science. Miss McIntosh says well done to Lydia E for her fantastic work throughout lockdown, so well done Lydia. Now over to Miss Capel. She says well done to Jacob T and Chloe H for their brilliant work on genes and waves. Great job you two. Also well done to Holly B for her excellent extended task on forces, and Poppy N for her great job on electromagnets and genes. Well done to you two. Over in maths, Mr. Reef would like to recognise Isabel C, Danielle L, Jacob T and Cameron C. Well done. He also added both Danielle and Jacob have worked consistently well throughout lockdown. So great job you two. It's lovely to hear. Now over in art, Mrs. Stables was so impressed by Lucas W. And sends a huge shout out to you for completing the most fantastic piece of steampunk artwork. You should be able to see the images of Lucas's work now, and he's clearly put in an enormous amount of time and effort. Brilliant work there. So well done, Lucas. I hadn't realised you were such a talent when it came to art. Now over to food, and it's a huge well done again to Lucas W. He is this week's winner of the Store Cupboard Challenge. Lucas used the potatoes to make homemade chips and the salad ingredients to accompany his spiced chicken. So well done, Lucas. And also praise goes to Catherine K this week. She's made one of Miss Allen's all-time favourites, fajitas. Catherine displayed excellent knife skills de-seeding the pepper and slicing the chicken using the claw hold. Also top effort with the presentation of your dish. Well done, Catherine. Now over to the history department, and Mr. Finley says well done to Joby, Abigail R and Imogen G. All three students are working really hard to get work sent in. They're completing backdated work and it is of a really high standard, so great job you three, well done. And as I said earlier, as we've just heard there, it's never too late to get started on your work and do your best to catch up, so give it a go. Now over to Spanish. Mrs. Sedgwick sends a massive fantastico to Jacob T, Ethan R and Lucas W for winning the Week 4 Spanish Friends Challenge. They each produced accurate work displaying constant effort and motivation, and were the fastest ones to get the work in too. She's really impressed with you, so well done. Finally from English, I would like to say well done to Jessica U, William S, Cameron W and Aaron C for the lovely work they sent in to me last week. So great job, you guys. Now on to this week's superstars. And our superstars for this week are Alfie and Madison W. Now these two have been very quiet throughout lockdown, and I was thinking they had their feet up enjoying a lovely break when all along they've been creating files and files of work on paper. The mum has been in touch too, with so many pictures of the brilliant work, and I'm so impressed. Like I expected anything less of the Wallaces. You should be able to see an example of their work on screen now. There was so much work, I couldn't possibly show it all. A huge well done to you two, and keep up the fantastic efforts. We are really proud of you here at Netherwood. Well done to everyone who has received a shout out today. Remember to check your inbox for a message from me. I'm now going to pass over to Mr. Coulson for a short message from him.
Good morning, Year 8. I hope you're all well. Just a quick message. We have noticed me and Miss Wharton, but work has dropped off these last couple of weeks. I know there is only 3 weeks left, but obviously it is a big push to Year 9 next year. So just make sure we keep up the good work. If we have got it and we need to send it into teachers, make sure it gets sent off. But hope you stay safe, keep yourselves well, and I hope to see you all soon.
Thank you, Mr. Coulson. Okay, final few messages from me then. So first of all, a message to cheeky Charlie S. Please be careful when you're out and about, Charlie. I don't want to have to wind my window down and shout at you again. There's a story to share with your friends this week. Also, if you haven't already seen it, take a look at Mrs Oates' compilation of photos and videos from Netherwood students on Facebook and Twitter. It's fantastic to share and celebrate how wonderful you all are. And I felt really, really proud to see so many contributions from Year 8 students. So well done, everyone. And parents and grown-ups out there, there's still time to send any photos and videos in. So please share those with us and we can share them with the wider Netherwood community. So thank you for that. Okay then, Year 8, finally from me, remember to keep focused, keep impressing your teachers. I'm looking forward to receiving lots of nominations in this coming week. So take care, everyone. Bye-bye, Year 8.